Well, that's a good start, good steady start for Kerala strikers. In the first over of such a league, all-important league for these players, I think it's very important that you have the right kind of people, and those are the players who are going to participate. Kerala strikers, led by the legendary Mohanlal, Boban, Pillai, Mukundan, they are all there in numbers. And for Chennai Rhinos, they're proven stars, Vishal, Vikrant, Bharat, Vishnu, they've all done so well, and certain additions as well. Promises to be a good contest.
So the side is led by Mohanlal. Chennai Rhinos, they did pretty well last season. They were the defending champions. They lost to Mumbai Heroes up in Sharjah last weekend. For them, it is such an important encounter in order to get back into the season.
So a lot happening with the field placings. I think they've now settled to a 5-4 field, or still certain directions being given. I think these things are bound to happen because they're not professional cricketers, and all of them coming together and probably arriving at a consensus of how the field should be. So eventually they're going to bowl to a 6-3 field, a packed out offside field. That's the first wide. The intention was right to bowl outside off stump because that's where all the fielders are, but just spraying a bit wider.
That's a very strange kind of an action. It's not easy for him to get that balance while he's delivering. It's Shiva who's bowling to Paulie at this stage. Again, very wide, low full toss. Manages to steal a single. So this is good commitment shown by these two players. They are quite willing to run, and they got a boundary going in the first over. That's Mohanlal. For all the fans here who have come in to witness this match, the superstar.
Have you watched any of his movies, Sabah? It was absolutely legendary. I mean, whichever movies he does in Kerala, I think even before one ticket is sold, I think all of them are houseful.
Yes, Mohanlal, well-known face. I remember watching him in a Hindi movie, Sanjay. I think it was called Kala Pani, and he acted quite well in that flick. That crossover from this cinema to Hindi cinema hasn't taken place. A good delivery, loud appeal, and there was some movement in there for the bowler Shiva.
Well, Shiva, as we've spoken about, bowls of the wrong foot, nice seam positions facing towards fine leg. That probably helped the ball to get towards the leg side a bit. Nicely played on. There's protection in the deep. They run hard. Come back for a comfortable second.
I think that's the best part about Celebrity Cricket League, Sanjay, because whatever I have seen this season in Sharjah for those 2 games and now here, that most of these players at some point of their career or their life, they have played cricket. So somehow I see the basics there. Because they haven't played this game regularly, they need to work hard more on their skill, which they're trying to do so well. And we saw the results in Sharjah, where we saw Mumbai Heroes and Telugu Warriors and Chennai Rhinos were also there. All of them really worked very hard to put up a good show. And here also, I think a little bit of commitment one can see at the very beginning. Oh, got him this time. Off the pads, onto the stumps. And the umpire is not very happy, is he? Yes, he has given him out. So the first wicket goes for Kerala Strikers in a very unusual manner, but that's the way it is. So Kerala Strikers, they're 10 for 1.
Well, that's an unlucky way of getting out of the pads and just trudging onto the stumps, dislodge the bail. Some confusion as to whether it is to be given out or not, but in the end, the umpire making the right decision. Kerala Strikers 10 for 1 with Nivin Pauly heading back to the pavilion. Well, Unni Mukundan coming at the fall of Pauly's wicket. He's batting at number 3, which is considered to be a very important position to bat in any form of the game. Oh, that's another close call. Shiva has bowled impressively. That's end of 2 overs, 10 for 1.
After 2 overs, the Kerala Strikers 10 runs for the loss of 1 wicket.
Such a dangerous thing to do. Let the ball go. So much of movement off the wicket as well as in the air. They didn't try to do anything else. Just kept his pad in front of the ball. Very lucky to survive there. Score remains at 10 for the loss of 1 wicket after 2 overs. So Pauly is back in the pavilion. He was bowled by Shiva for 2. Holding fort for Kerala Strikers at this stage is Pillai and Mukundan.